Let's talk about a scenario that your sales team has probably faced before. Your sales rep is out in the field, meeting with a client, ready to close a deal. But there's no Wi-Fi, no hotspot, no connection. And just like that, your order pipeline hits a wall. We like to assume that we're always connected, but in reality, dead zones still exist. Warehouses, remote job sites, convention centers, and rural clients. When your team can't submit an order on the spot, it creates delays, missed shipments, and frustrated customers. Worse, it means that your team has to write it down or email it later, or worst case scenario, try to remember it. Let's say Jacob, a sales rep for an industrial parts supplier, is visiting a loyal customer in a very remote town. As they're meeting, the customer is pointing out to Jacob what they need and what needs to be restocked. But let's say Jacob's usual system is cloud-based, which most of them are, but there's no signal. So Jacob finds himself scribbling everything down on a notepad, hoping nothing gets missed. By the time that he's back online, that order has to be re-entered, double-checked, and even rushed to fulfillment. And all of that is time lost and accuracy at risk. What if Jacob could enter that order immediately offline? No connection, no problem. Jacob can log everything in the moment, right there in the warehouse, and the second that he's back online, the system automatically resyncs. No duplicates, no re-entry, no missed items. If your team works in the field, on the road, or in just unpredictable environments, offline order management keeps your business moving, even when the internet doesn't. It protects accuracy, saves time, and creates the type of reliable service that your customers will remember. Sales don't have to drop because your signal does. Click the link below to learn more about tools that make offline order management both simple and seamless. Because the less stress that your orders make, the more revenue your business can make. You can do it. Thanks.